Hello Service Pointers from around the world. I'm P-son.
I'm Björn.
And this is Zervicepoint Update. Welcome to a fresh new episode of Zervicepoint Update. This is a new concept where we will give you the latest and greatest in Zervicepoint. Today we're going to take a quick look at a plugin, Personal LookUp.
This is a great addition to Zervicepoint, and with this plugin you can access Skatteverket's database, which is the Swedish Tax Agency that manages civil registration of private individuals. And then in turn you can look up information about a person by sending their social security number through a web service call. You'll then receive an object filled with general information about that person, and in turn you can use that to trigger other events in your forms, like auto-populating fields.
Now the viewers are wondering, in what scenario is this plugin useful?
Well, the most obvious one would be the onboarding scenario, where you have first name, last name, maybe street address, and so on.
This looks really awesome, Björn. And if you want to know more about this plugin, follow the link in description. And as always, we love feedback in any form, so place a comment below, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on our social channels. See you next time!